Hey guys, it's Sheena and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my glowing skin smoothie, okay? I call it the Green Goddess smoothie, okay? And it'll help you get a youthful glow because of the ingredients that I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. So on the plate, I have my ingredients for my smoothie. I have avocado. That's the first ingredient. And avocados, if you didn't know, is amazing for your skin. It's a natural moisturizer that has a high vitamin content. And a lot of people even use it to make like face masks with it. So it's really good. It has, you can actually, like I said, use it as ingredient for a face mask. Some people smash up an avocado and they mix it with honey and they make a face mask with it if you have dry skin. Now, I'm gonna honestly tell y'all that I'm not a fan of avocado, like the taste of it, but I do eat it. I only put it in smoothies, or I might eat it with a salad, to kind of mask the taste with other ingredients, because avocado alone, I don't know, I just don't really like the taste of it, but it's very healthy. That's why I eat it. Okay, the next ingredients I have here is kale and spinach mix, and you can get that at like Walmart or any grocery store, really. Whole Foods if you want it to be organic. And it comes together, the kale and the spinach. It's a mix, and the kale and spinach is actually high in vitamin K, and that actually helps reduce dark circles and it tightens your skin. So that's good for that. The next ingredients I have here is some frozen bananas. Now I got this, you can buy frozen bananas by itself, or you can actually buy bananas, cut them up and freeze them. This actually came out of strawberry and banana, frozen strawberry and banana that I had in the freezer, and I just took the bananas out for the smoothie. But if you didn't know, that the banana is a natural moisturizer as well, and it has vitamin E and C in it, which help promote glowing skin. Now, I've seen people actually take the banana peel, the actual peel from the banana, and they actually rub that on their skin. And I researched it, and I found out that the peel of the banana actually helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles because it has a lot of potassium and antioxidant. I think the antioxidant that it has is lutein. I believe that's how it's pronounced, lutein. And that's really good for your skin. Also, the last I have on the plate is apples. And this is a green apple. You can use green apples or you can do red apples, but because it's the Green Goddess smoothie, I use the green apple. And the apple is good for your skin because it's rich in vitamins and minerals. And it's also it has antioxidants in it that help protect against like free radicals, ultraviolet radiation, and it can actually lead up to you having a younger looking skin. It can help with that. So, okay. Another ingredient is honey. Honey is also full of antioxidants, and it helps create a glow to your skin, and it's actually great for slowing down aging. Now, the brand that I use here, Honey and Comb, you want to make sure that it's a raw honey. It's also good if you can get local honey as well, because that's really good. Okay, now the best ingredients of all is the Real Greens. This is a dietary supplement. And it's good for energy, detoxification, immunity, liver health, and alkalinity. Non-GMO. So if you look on the back, look at all of it. Has spirulina, alfalfa leaf, wheatgrass, chlorella, kale, barley grass, astragalus, I believe that's how you say that. Gotu cola, bitter melon, and lemon powder. So it has all the greens in here. This is actually really, really awesome. And I always put this in my smoothies, and I really can tell that I do have more energy. And by taking these real green supplements, if you take this, I promise you, you're gonna have, like, your skin is gonna definitely have a glow to it. If you're taking this and you're not eating anything that's, you know, like any fried foods, any foods full of, you know, toxins, you're gonna see a difference in your skin if you do the smoothie. Some people do like smoothie fast. I know I've done like 7-day smoothie fast, and I put these in my smoothie, drunk a gallon of water a day, and my skin had an instant glow to it. So I'll definitely recommend this. I'll leave the description of the product link in the description box below, where you can pick this up. It's really good, really good. And then I have my almond milk, which is the vanilla almond milk that I'm gonna use. Some people use coconut water. I don't like coconut water. I like my smoothies to have like a milkshake consistency. So that's why I use the almond milk. So I'm gonna show you how I blend it all together. And I just used a handful of ingredients. Like, I used a handful of the spinach and kale. I just got a few of the frozen bananas out. This is a whole apple chopped up, and this is a whole avocado chopped up that I'm gonna put in the smoothie. So I'll be right back to show you how I blend it all together. I put all of my ingredients into this. This is my Ninja blender that I'm using. Now, if you want to pack all the ingredients in, use less ice. I think I put a little bit too much ice in here, so I wasn't able to get all of the ingredients, but I got most of it. But just use, you know, just less ice, and then you can always put more ice if you want it to be thicker later. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my almond milk, and I kind of just fill it up to about right there, almost the top. Because like I said, I like that creamy consistency of the almond milk. And then I take my honey and I just drizzle some on top. And you can always, you know, test it out. After you've blended it, test it out to see if you need to add more honey. But you don't want it too sweet, okay? Okay, now that I have everything inside of the blender, you want to make sure that the top is on tight. If you're using one of these, or a Ninja or a Bullet, or any type of like personal blender, make sure that you screw the top on before you start blending. Okay, you could use a regular blender too. I almost just suggest using that. I only use this because I'm on the go a lot, and these are just really convenient because it comes with a top that you can put on and drink out of. Blending, this is what it's gonna look like. Yeah, it's green. It may look gross, but it's packed with nutrients, and it's gonna help your skin have an amazing glow. See if you could probably, if you can't do like a 7-day, I would say try doing like 7 days where you're drinking this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a gallon of water. If you can do that, you can probably do it as like a meal replacement, you know, drink it for dinner or breakfast or lunch, you know, just replace one of your meals with it. If you can't do like a fast with it, that's what I do. This is actually my dinner. I ate a pretty good healthy lunch, and then I'm gonna drink this as my dinner. So this is my meal replacement, and it makes me pretty full. So I'm gonna drink it. So it tastes pretty good. It's not too sweet at all. It's just right. I put just the right amount of honey. I blended it up just, you know, really, really good. So yeah. So thanks so much for watching my video. I really hope that this helps somebody out here that's you either wanting to do a detox or you're wanting to, you know, just see what this smoothie life is all about, or you're looking to get healthy. You know, I just hope that this video helped you. Please don't forget to share the video with someone who someone you know, someone who you think this may help. Share the video, spread the love, give me a thumbs up so more people can see the video, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, bye guys, I love you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.